everyone. Tonight I'm going to show you sweet and sour pork and egg fried rice that John is making for our tea.
So we've got yellow and red peppers. We've got a tin of, what are they? Sliced water chestnuts. We've got fresh diced pineapple, onion, and then with all of the vegetables we have got some pork that was left over from a joint at the weekend, so that's readily cooked. And in here is a magic potion. Not sure what's in there, John.
I've got a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 150 mils of water, a tablespoon of cornflour, and a quarter of a tablespoon of hot chilli flakes.
Excellent. And so the cornflour is sinned, the tomato ketchup is sinned, and the sesame oil is sinned. And so other than that, everything is free food. Now, I know with pineapple that you have to sin it if you warm it up, but in my mind, as long as you're not going to eat more than you would when it's cold, then it's not sins in my recipes. Anyway, once this luscious dish is in the wok and the pan, I will give you another glimpse of it and we'll put the recipe at the end. I think it's put garlic granules and ginger powder in there. Obviously, if you've got fresh garlic and fresh ginger, you can use that. Spring onion, the egg, and a little spoonful of this, which is sinned, toasted sesame, that goes into the rice. So that was cooked this morning and it's been cooled on a tray. The master is at work making his egg fried rice. Look at that yummy sweet and sour bubbling next door. Yummy. And there's the finished egg fried rice with spring onions. And there is the pork sweet and sour. How lovely. Now to dish up. This is the end result. So we have egg fried rice with spring onions, and we have a beautiful glossy sweet and sour made by the fair hands of my other half. I must credit the Hairy Bikers out of the Hairy Dieters book that I think John has tweaked a bit. It really is a brilliant recipe. Give it a go and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.